This tutorial is to help you ensure that you have content and a place that you can use next school year. This is part one of the procedures we hope that you follow before you leave for the summer. If you take a look here, I'm logged into Angel. I see the top first nugget I see is all the courses that I am enrolled in or am an instructor. And you see your repositories over here. We see the central office one. I see a TJ resource one. And everyone has a personal repository. The personal repository is where you should store any and all the content that you want to share in your courses next year. It'll still be stored on the Angel server. You'll still be able to access this content over the summer, and you'll be able to easily link it to the new courses that are ready in August for you. In order to do this, I click on My Personal Repository. What I would suggest you to do is in your personal repository, create folders for each of the courses you hope to put content in. For example, if you're a geometry teacher, you may want to have a folder for geometry and possibly a folder for each section of your geometry class. I have a folder here for the Angel Training Course number 2. Nothing's in it yet. I simply created this by going to Add Content and creating a folder. I'm going to go into the Angel Training Course number 2, and you'll see that I have no content in here yet. In order to add the content, I click on Add Content, and I scroll down to the bottom until I see the option Import from a group or course. I'm going to click on Import here, and I'm going to have the ability to select any of the courses that I am an instructor in. I see my course, Angel Training Course number 2 here. Once I've selected the section or the course, I can browse. Now inside this, I'll see all the content that I've added to this course. I can simply click on all these items, but I may not need them all next year. So I'll only select the ones that I think I will use. The surveys, the files, the folders, and it would be up to you if you want to save discussion boards. If you pull your discussion board into your repository, it will have all the student information and all the student responses. You can delete this by using a piece of your management options, but you may just want to leave them out. The next choices down here are something we're not generally using yet, but just to be safe, go ahead and select all of these choices. And then click on Copy Items. Angel is now redirecting all that content into your repository. If you noticed here, it tells me that I've imported 15 items. If I click on Continue, Angel will tell me exactly what I added and give me the option of adding anything that I may have missed. I decided I did not want to put the discussion board in. Now if I go outside back into my repository and click within this folder in my personal repository, you'll see all the content that was from my course is now here. I can make changes to this over the summer, and it is ready for me to link to my brand new courses that have my new students enrolled in the fall.